Well, Bossalinas, the day of reckoning is upon us. I've been scared to ride this bike because I'm scared something's wrong with it. I'm scared the front end's twisted. I'm scared it's leaking coolant. I don't know, man. It hit the ground and I'm just worried. But here she is, all finished. Look at her. Fender, all of it. Except for the exhaust. Okay, I'm lying. The exhaust. I don't want to spend that money till I know. We're already crunk her up, so we know she runs. We may need a new battery. I don't know. I had her on a tender the whole time, but y'all know how this motorcycle battery shit goes. These things don't last very long at all. If all goes well, we're gonna send that off and try to get it fixed. I'll let y'all know how that goes. That's kind of a little known thing, man. I didn't know you could send these off to Yoshi and they'll rebuild them. Let's do that so we don't fuck somebody's pants up, huh? Alright. Let's go ride her and see if this front end's crooked, huh? Sniffing. Give the sniff test. That sounds good. Handlebars, do they look crooked? This side to me looks down. And the console looks a little bit twisted that way. But I guess we'll see. God, we need gas bad, dude. Oh, come on, bro. Maiden voice, boys and girls. Well, street speeds feel good. She ain't wobbling back and forth. She's actually tracking pretty well, bro. Oh man, so far so good, y'all. We gotta get gas. Look at this. I don't remember not having, I don't remember that. I don't remember anything from that day, really. But I remember having gas. Maybe it all spilled out. We definitely gotta go get some. Bro, we riding her, y'all. We're riding a black bike, dude. We're doing it. Oh my God, y'all don't know. I've been anxiety D over this bike, man. I've been thinking about this bike since the day I wrecked it. Hoping it's okay. It feels good. It ain't pulling. So we take our hands off the grips, what happens? Bro, I think we're good, dude. I don't want to say that though. Every time you say that, I think we're boom, and you get hit hard with the bad one. This clutch is way different. I mean, man, it don't boom right there. Like you get, there's a 1/4 inch of freaking friction zone on this bike. That other bike, half the clutch travel is friction zone. It's not pulling in neutral or with the clutch squeezed in anymore either. Bro, we might be good on this bike, y'all. Let's not get excited yet. Not till we know. Make sure we're not leaking coolant out that freaking water pump cover. We're close to glory, y'all. That Yoshi still sounds amazing. My busted Yoshi sounds better than your freaking Acropovic. Bro, this bike is no joke, dude. Takes a lick and keeps on ticking. Girl, I love you so much. I love you. Even if the handlebars are crooked, I'm noticing. I'm not like, I'll just see it when I look down. And that shit could be an optical illusion because I got all this shit over here and nothing over here. But look at them. What do you think? I don't know. 13,000 miles on this girl. These grips feel good too. They're nice and grippy, man. These Dominoes. I just went with them because they had little angled red lines that kind of match the stitches on the seat. But they're pretty good. They're better than them $8 Amazon grips. And honestly, they weren't that much more. I think they were like 25 bucks. They weren't that more, is what I was gonna say. This thing does feel like a race bike. It's got a lot more vibration than that silver bike too. I think that's from the intake. It's almost like having 2 exhausts on here. Oh, bike. Oh, he's getting off. Ah, well, we'll see him for a minute. Bro, she is fucking feeling good, y'all. Yeah, dude. Nice. Is that ZX10? It looked like a ZX10. I couldn't see the number. Woo! Light her up, boy. Oh, shit. All right, we're already gonna wreck her. Oh, the suspension, bro. Oh, my suspension is back. Oh, it's Salt Life ass. Salt Life looking ass. Woo! Damn, bro. Hey, as far as the front end, fuck it. This thing's gold, bro. We'll see if they fix these handlebars. They straightened my handlebars somehow last time on that other bike, on the silver bike. I don't know how they did it. Look at this guy. Bro, them Tahoes, you gotta look out for them. Them things are crazy. They'll kill you. Whoa. Most SUVs in general try to hit you. Feels fucking sweet, y'all. I am so happy right now. I can't even tell you. I love you, Barcelinas. Oh, I didn't know what was gonna happen when we rode this thing. Oh, we back in it again! Back in it! Oh, I'm so happy. I love y'all. Thank y'all. Thank you guys for supporting me during the wreck, after the wreck, during the recovery. Caring about the angry Pinky, bro. I love you guys, man. I think we're over this. I think we can send this Yoshi off and get it fixed, dude. Let's make sure she ain't leaking coolant. We're gonna get up to the dealer, inspect her for wetness and fluids. But dang, she felt good. Is we overheating or anything? Oh, button. I'm getting 94 miles per gallon, dude. 178. All right, we good. Oh, shit. I wasn't paying. I don't feel good? Let's see. Yeah, that feels good. Okay. See brakes? Yeah, everything feels good, dude. Oh, you bastard. Oh. We're back to that. Honking when we turn the blinker off. Let's see what we got. Ooh, Repsol, baby. Whew. All right, y'all. You want to check her out and see what we got? Ooh, this is scary and exciting at the same time. All right. No wetness on the exhaust. This shit right here, nothing's wet. Remember I told you don't spray that damn shit on your engine. Don't spray degreaser on your engine. That was dumb. Oh, bro, I think we're good, y'all. All that worrying, all that shit, all that work. Look, she's back together now. Restored to former glory. We just gotta paint her. We still gotta paint her. We'll paint her. How about them seats, huh? Them seats look good, huh? That don't look good. We'll get that fixed. All right, Bossalinas. Hell yeah, bro. Love you guys. We're finally sweating in this helmet. Oh, look. Yeah, we're gonna have to redo her. I knew once she got out in the sun, we started sitting on it, it was probably gonna shift. So, no biggie. 2 screws and a couple staples, we had that thing fixed right up. Y'all probably can't even see that shit. These freaking, I got ND32 on here, bro. That's like putting on some dark ass glasses. Alright. Hell yeah, bro. Let's get out of here. Man, so far so good, y'all. Boy, this bike feels solid. I like these bars. Tempted to put these on that silver one too. Oh, I forgot to. Damn it. Whatever. They were. I didn't have them work on the handlebars. We weren't. Dude, we were there 10 minutes. He's like, "What do you need?" I was like, "I need an inspection." And I started talking. He's like, "I had it done for you in 10 minutes, sir." And I was like, "Yeah, but I gotta do some shit." He's like, "Nah, dude, we're gonna do it right now. Get it out of here." And I was like, "Well, wait. I got a whole day planned, and you're fucking changing that." Smooth as glass, bro. Woo. Bitch, I'm a ballerina. I'm a ballerina. We got 2 bikes again. Whee! I haven't even put on music. Hold on, let's put on some music. Yeah, the clutch, dude, is so... whatever, I'll tell you how that many times. It's just way different. Like, I'm going to show you right now. You might not even be able to see it. So, there's the clutch, right? I got it pulled all the way in. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oh, something, right? Way out there, okay? That silver bike, the clutch starts letting out right there. You start letting off, that bike starts moving almost. This thing ain't moving until you get to the edge of the clutch. I'm sure it needs to be adjusted or something. I was thinking maybe it's a product of these damn drag bars. What do you think, crooked? Yeah, they look crooked, bro. We might need risers. We'll mess with it. Oh my God. We riding this bike, y'all. We riding this bike. Oh my God. I can't believe it. All right, Bossalinas. Good news, bro. Good news. Bitch, I'm a Bossalina shit. We'll figure out why these bars are crooked and we'll fix that. But the bike goes straight, she rides smooth, 127, whatever we were doing earlier. She got some cobwebs that need to get blowed out. We'll get that. All right, y'all.